Welcome. This is Wendy. My January 2019 class to go is launching. You can pre-order it today. The cards we decided to make were with the theme of love, since you'll get this kit in mid-January, late January. You'll have cards in time for Valentine's or for just sending love throughout the year. The description below this video has all the supplies listed, but it also has the link to the class to go sign up. You're going to make 4 cards, 2 of each, for a total of 8. All of the supplies are included except for the stamping and the stamp sets. So all the kits will come packaged in envelopes and the whole thing ready for you to put these together. So you can get both the bundles, one of the bundles, both the stamp sets, one of the stamp sets. All those options are available to you. And here's how you get them. You're going to go to loveandstampin.com, click on classes, click on current class to go, and then there'll be a list there of options. I do want to remind you also, you'll get free celebration items based on how much you order. So if you get both bundles, you would get 2 celebration items, which is pretty cool. And you're going to get your kits and everything else. So thank you so much for tuning in and stopping by. I hope you sign up for my January class to go. I will be sending out reminders and stuff like that. Thank you. And again, have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.